It's Thursday, February 19th, 2026. An unusually warm February morning with temperatures in the upper 50s and dew points at a relative temperature. Skies are currently cloudy with scattered fog across the horizon. Many are going about their Thursday morning unaware of the severe weather that is expected to take place the following night. The Storm Prediction Center issued an enhanced risk of severe weather spanning from southeastern Illinois to southern Indiana. Though Ohio is only partially in the slight risk area at this given time, numerous changes would be made over the course of the day, leading to the enhanced risk area being shifted further east over time. Not to mention, it is a tornado-driven risk. All the ingredients were in place for this to be a major severe weather event over the Columbus area, but there was one major flaw: cloud cover. With overcast skies forecasted until 4 p.m. Eastern Time, the opportunity for instability over the Columbus area was extremely limited, meaning the potential for severe supercells would decrease by the hour until skies clear. Alright, well, good morning everybody. It is February something, 19th. February 19th, 2026. If you haven't noticed already, I have actually moved into a house just recently with my fiance. And, so today, there's a severe risk for us, marginal risk. It is a Thursday. I'm not at work today because I've been battling some stomach issues this morning. But as of right now, it's, still pretty overcast outside. An enhanced risk was issued a bit west of my current location, so chances are we could see some pretty decent warnings, and it is also a tornado-driven risk. So if anything happens, I will do my best to record it, and if I'm away, we have this. So I'll do my best to capture what I can today if we do indeed get severe weather. But I guess we'll see what happens. As the morning continues, my confidence in this being a severe weather event anywhere near the central Ohio region was getting lower and lower. Skies continued to stay overcast, leaving little to no room for the atmosphere to heat up. It was still before noon, so I still had some hope that maybe something would happen later that evening, but things were not looking good when it came to storm development over Ohio. It was a little bit before noon. I decided to go out and pick up some Little Caesars and also get some quick pictures of the tornado siren down the road from my new residency. Alrighty folks, I'm back right now, back at the house. Just went and got some lunch. Not looking to be much hope right now with how gloomy the skies are. There were some clearings further west of here, but right now it's just kind of dull and gloomy. So we'll see what happens, but it's time's about 12:40 right now, so we'll give it some more time and see what happens. After picking up my lunch and dropping off some food to my fiance, I continued to head back home and hop on a voice call with some friends. I was eating my lunch when one of my friends in Hamilton, Ohio had mentioned they were starting to see a break in the clouds. At this point, it was a little bit after 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and around 2:12 p.m. Eastern Time, sunlight was finally starting to peek out through my west windows. Keep in mind that skies weren't expected to clear over the Columbus area until around 4 p.m. Though the skies were still mostly cloudy, sunlight was peeking through, meaning that instability was starting to increase over time. Since it was still many hours before any severe weather was expected, I decided to go out and spend some more time with my fiance since she had just gotten off work for the day.
We stopped into Walmart to pick up a few things, and by the time we had left, the sun was completely out and skies were mostly clear. Instability was now rising rapidly, and atmospheric heating was taking place more than it had all day. Though the sun was finally out, it was already starting to set, as it had already hit the 4 o'clock hour. My hopes weren't gone completely, but I still wasn't confident in anything more than a bit of rain over my region.
Okay guys, I'm back. Current time is 4:08 p.m. This clock is wrong. It's like clear blue sky outside almost. If my phone would focus. Hello? Oh my gosh, okay. Yeah, no, it's not focusing. There we go. But yeah, no. I'm actually about to just go put the laundry away right now. I mean, things are looking pretty nasty. They just issued a tornado warning for somewhere in India or Illinois, right by Effingham. Still a bit ways out, but it is slowly making its way up here. I'm expecting possibly a severe thunderstorm watch here within the next hour or so. We just gotta wait and see what this does because it's 4 o'clock right now, and these are already producing supercells in eastern Illinois. So these things are making their way up. We'll see what happens.
The first tornado watch of the day would be issued over the enhanced risk area, and the first tornado warning would take place over Effingham, Illinois. It was at this point that I was starting to realize if this event does indeed carry on into my area, it would be a nocturnal event. At this point, my adrenaline was starting to build. Could this truly carry on into west central Ohio as a nocturnal storm event? I kept waiting anxiously, and it was at this point I was starting to get hungry again, so my fiance and I stopped to get dinner and a few things from TJ Maxx.
Alrighty, folks. So it's currently 6:18 p.m. Right now, there's lots of storms down in Kentucky, West Virginia, as well as Illinois, and they're just now starting to enter Indiana. Lots of tornado warnings. So yeah, I'm just going out for a little bit because it looks like the stuff won't really hit us until around 9 to 11 p.m. So yeah, we'll just have to see what happens, and we'll see.
While we were at TJ Maxx, I kept a good eye on my friends, and one of them had mentioned a tornado watch. I looked, and sure enough, it was in the KIG 86 listening area. The watch was extended to Champaign, Clark, and Greene counties in Ohio. Previously, while eating dinner, many tornadoes were touching down and causing damage in southeast Illinois and southern Indiana. Severe storms were also doing damage in portions of northern Kentucky as well as northern West Virginia. As it was starting to grow dark outside, I started losing hope that there would be anything, even a thunderstorm, over my area. I was driving back home when a severe thunderstorm warning was issued for Greene County. Looking at radar, it was looking as if the storms just weren't going to initiate, and that this event was basically over.
Alright, I'm back. So I just missed basically every alert of the night. There was a tornado watch, and they just issued a severe thunderstorm warning as soon as I got back. So, yeah. Well, we'll see. We'll see if anything else happens. I'll at least try to get the storm
Camera's not focusing. There we go. Well, it's coming in from the south, meaning it'll probably be coming in from that way. And right now I'm in the actual bathroom because there's a window in here. Oh, there we go. Funny, my phone alert actually just went off same time as that. But yeah, this isn't even the 27th, and seems like every 27th of February we get severe weather. But no, this is That's earlier than that, so. Little bit butthurt that I didn't get the TOA or the Greene County SVR, but you know what? That's okay. Sounds like it's about to start now. Rain's starting to come in. Just trying to see what lightning I can get. Ooh. What if that was a power flash? Does look to be quite some wind with this too. So. Yes, it's definitely interesting. Sounds like the storm itself is just now coming in. Let's see, I think 10 TV is still on. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, it's interesting. I'm wondering if they'll extend that Greene County SVR. Yes, only time will tell. But yeah, no, this is looking interesting. After going to the bathroom window to catch some lightning from the oncoming storm, the one I thought wouldn't initiate, I headed back to the office and called my fiancée to wish her a good night's sleep. After talking to her on the phone for a few minutes, all of this lost hope would quickly re-emerge as a tornado warning was issued for Greene, Warren, and Montgomery counties. This massive severe weather event I quickly lost hope for suddenly decided to show its eyes. The event was finally beginning for Central Ohio. Where is this for? Tornado warning.
Southwestern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County until 10:15 p.m.
No freaking way.
9:46 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Springboro, moving east at 35 miles an hour.
Whoa, lightning.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh my gosh,
Will
my
be damaged or
phone.
destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Kettering, Beaver Creek, Xenia, Miamisburg, Springboro, Franklin, Bellbrook, West Carrollton, Waynesville, Hunter, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, Centerville, Lytle, Mount Holly, Roxana, Pekin, and Five Points. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 37 and 46. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You're listening to NOAA Weather.
Quickly after the first tornado warning was issued, a second tornado warning was also issued for Greene County minutes later. NWS Wilmington's many special weather statements were indicating that these were rapidly developing thunderstorms. The atmosphere was loaded with more instability than I could have imagined, all due to the massive clearing and sunlight from earlier this afternoon. Now that the event was taking place and the storms were here, these are the many other alerts that I captured. They issued another tornado warning? Oh no. Uh-oh. For Greene County. Oh gosh. Yep, there it is.
At 9:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles south of Xenia, moving east at 30 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh, another one?
Source, radar indicated
Holy cow.
impact. Flying debris
This is what it was.
shelter. Mobile homes will be
Oh boy.
damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Oh
Tree
boy.
damage is likely. Locations impacted include Jamestown, New Jasper, Downersville, Petersville, Middleton Corner, and Rosemore. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 58 and 61. Take cover now.
This one's even closer.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Here.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now, here's the interesting
Flash flood warning.
Northwestern Clinton County, northeastern Warren County, southeastern Clark County, Greene County, until 1:15 a.m. At 10:01 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams,
this lightning
urban
is
areas,
unreal.
highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Xenia, Lebanon, Springboro, Bellbrook, Cedarville, Waynesville, Jamestown, South Charleston, Wilberforce, New Jasper, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, South Solon, Centerville, Middleton Corner, Petersville, Old Town, Lumberton, and Greene County Airport. Turn around. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads.
Big SVR.
Most flood damage
Or
occur
not
in vehicles.
SVR, flash flood warning.
To report flash flooding,
Jeez.
go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
This is crazy.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m.
Clinton and Greene.
The National Weather Service of Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Clinton County, southeastern Greene County until 10:45 p.m. At 10:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Waynesville, moving
coming
east at
right up this
35
way.
miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size.
Dude, this is crazy.
Source, radar
Oh my
indicated.
gosh.
Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Jamestown, Harveysburg, Bowersville, Port William, Petersville, Melvin, Bloomington, Middleton Corner, Lumberton, Oakland, Reesville, Kingman, and Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 68. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 61. The tornado warning for southeastern The tornado warning for northeastern Warren and southwestern Greene counties will expire at 10:15 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area.
I might issue another one. Dude, this is crazy. I'm actually like amazed right now. The development is insane right now. Like I'm genuinely impressed with this setup right now. I was not expecting things to continue developing as I got back, but this is crazy. I'm actually like stoked about this. Oh my gosh. This is insane, guys. Wow.
At 10:14 p.m. Eastern Time, the storms were finally minutes away from my area. I decided to make my way to the back door on the west side of the house to try and capture some of the heavy rain and numerous lightning strikes. Thankfully, with my vehicle being outside, no hail was reported over my area. Heavy rain continued, leading to life-threatening flash flooding just west of my area. I was amazed at how well these storms were strengthening, especially with the lack of sunlight.
It's coming down. I'm hoping we don't get any hail. My car's outside right now. I mean, I could theoretically move it in the garage, but I mean, this guy's car's out too, so. Man. I gotta say, I really did not expect this to continue to develop after dark. I mean, I was expecting after that SVR was issued for Greene that it was just gonna, stop, but clearly things are, still rapidly developing. There's still some energy going into these, and I don't know how, but it's pretty cool.
After coming back to the office, I took a look at my radar and noticed quite a defined hook about 10 miles north of Washington Courthouse. Luckily, this did not last long and no tornado warning was issued, although another flash flood warning was going to be issued for Fayette and Madison counties minutes after I made it back to the office.
Guys, I could be going nuts, but is this not a hook? Another flash flood warning for Fayette and Madison. Is that not a hook? Is that not a hook? Oh my gosh.
PM, radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rain.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Jeffersonville, Lake Darby, Midway, Newport, Madison Lake, Big Plain, Bookwalter, Lily Chapel, and Shady Grove. Turn around. Don't drown.
This lightning is insane.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is a special weather statement.
This velocity is crazy. I'm surprised, honestly, that hasn't gone severe warned yet. Sounds like I'm being impacted as we speak right now. The wind and rain is starting to hit big time now. I guess this will really put the camera system to the test. But I know there's just been so many. There's already a bunch of flash flood warnings in effect west of here. I'm here looking. I'm seeing this. And I'm starting to look right here towards Miamisburg. I'm seeing a little bit of a hook there. I don't know if it's going to do anything. I kind of doubt it. But yeah, like this here, like, oh my gosh, look at oh my gosh. How is that not severe warned? All of this is wind. And oh my gosh, it just keeps getting worse. I am shocked that they have not severe warned that yet. I'm just shocked by this whole event entirely. Like it's 10:32 at night. That temperature is the inside temperature, not the outside. It's 60 degrees outside right now, but this is amazing. Like, this is absolutely crazy. Yeah, I'm wondering. I'm seriously wondering if my county will get issued anything. But yeah, we'll see. Another flash flood warning. Oh shoot. This is on KJY 68.
Northeastern Warren County, Southeastern Cork County, Greene County, Southeastern Montgomery County, until 2 a.m.
Wow.
At 10:52 p.m.
I knew it wasn't over.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
Now take a look at this.
1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen.
Take a look at that. We could see a TOR as well.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard.
This is
Flash flooding.
Oh man.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Wow.
Source, radar.
Oh my gosh.
Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Xenia, Springboro, London, Bellbrook, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Cedarville, Waynesville, Jamestown, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Wilberforce, Lake Darby, New Jasper, Harveyburg, Spring Valley, Lafayette, Corwin, South Solon, and Midway. Turn around. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now here is the official national weather.
As more storms were creeping their way northeast towards my area, more and more rainfall was impacting communities around Columbus, prompting the National Weather Service in Wilmington to issue a flash flood warning for my county. The weather radio in the bedroom as well as the kitchen finally saw their first and only warning of the night.
Franklin County. Flash flood warning for Franklin. It's in the bedroom.
Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Yep, for my county.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Pawhuska, Groveport, West Jefferson, The Ohio State University, Lake Darby, Whitehall, Grandview Heights, Obetz, Commercial Point, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, and Harrisburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. We especially caution that when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/INL and submit your report via social media. Do so safely. Now here is the official National Weather Service.
Kind of caught me by surprise. I thought it was over with.
Overnight.
As it was approaching the midnight hour, storms were finally starting to weaken, and I would catch my final alert of the night. For a mid-February severe weather event, and the first major storm event I've captured this year, I was greatly impressed. Storms continued to roll through until early morning, posing no real threat to life or property. I captured this final alert, and that would be the end of the major action over the KIG 86 listening area for the night.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Northwestern Perry County until 12:30 a.m. At 11:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fairfield Beach, or 8 miles southwest of Heath, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour.
It just keeps going.
Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Thornville and Glenford.
Huh.
Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast
Interesting.
for Central Ohio. Overnight, showers with a chance of thunderstorms.